Morning, sir. My name is Akshat Sharma, and today I will be demonstrating my Salesforce project, which is Subscriptionify, a subscription box management system. The objective is to build a secure and a scalable platform to manage the subscriber, product, and the recurring subscriptions. Here, I have used the core Salesforce platform for building it, along with the custom objects. Now, here, everything starts with the contact object. It is a standard Salesforce object which consists of records. Like on clicking one of the records, we can get essential customer information. And now let's move to the another most important custom object, which is subscription, which connects the customer to the product that they have purchased. Here, as you can see, there is a listing of lot of users, but the most important detail that we track here is the start date and the current status. As you can see, on clicking one of the object, we can get the information that when their subscription started, what is the current status, whether it's active or cancelled. Here, each subscription is linked to one of our product. In case you can see that we have an Ayurvedic beauty ritual box and one of the users have subscribed for it. And this is managed using the product object, which has a catalog of subscription boxes, as you can see, like Desi Snack Pack, Fitness Fuel Box, Indian Reading, etc. But the most important custom object is the product inventory tab. It is used for managing the physical stock, and it is yet a powerful tool as it tells us the exact quantity of each product that we have and if we are running low or not. So now let's move to the next dashboards. So as you can see in the dashboard, we have two reports. First is the MRR, or the monthly recurring revenue. This report is automatically available here and groups all our active subscription and sums up the price, giving us a live and a real-time view of our monthly revenue. And the second report in our dashboard is the new subscription versus cancels, which tells us how many new subscriptions we got in a month along with how many cancellations. And all these reports feed up into a central business health dashboard. And here we have another tab in the dashboard, which is upcoming renewables, which gives us information about the user's monthly subscription renewable. And we have another active subscription tab where we get information about which users subscription is active or cancelled. Okay, so let's move to the invoice record. And as you can see, I'm logged in as a system administrator, and here I can view the invoice since I have the access to all the details including the sensitive financial field like the price and the total amount. Now as I switch to another user, let's say fulfillment user, we will not be able to access it. Now as you can see, I'm not able to access the invoice tab because of the field level security. The fulfillment user cannot see the invoice tab as it is hidden due to the private organization by default, which helps us in locking down the record and also with the help of login IP ranges, which can ensure that the user can only log in from the office network. So, to quickly summarize, a key highlight of this project is the robust security model that I have developed. It allows us to control not just who sees a record, but what part of the record they can see. Another is custom duplicate rule that I have built for the subscription, which prevent us from accidentally signing up and billing a customer twice for the same product, which is active. Now that we have seen the core data model, I would like you to show how the system ensures that our operational data is accurate and automate the key task. Let's look into the validation rules. And here we are on the product inventory object. And now, as we track the stock for the daily snack pack, a fundamental rule of any business is that we cannot have negative inventory. So, we have a validation rule to enforce this. Let's say a user makes a data entry mistake and tries to update the quantity in stock to a number like -10. Hence, we get a error message showing that the quantity cannot be less than 0. Similarly, for subscriptions, the cancellation date cannot be before the subscription date. I have used the validation rules in these objects. And now we finally automate our core business process with using the flow. And here I have created two flows. First is the invoice flow, second is the due payment flow. First, in the invoice flow, as you can see, I am using the record trigger flow, which runs when the status equals to paid and the status is true for the invoice. And further, it creates a shipment record and notify the fulfillment team. And in the due payment flow, I have given that the status of the invoice is unpaid and amount is greater than 1000. And so, to summarize, I have successfully built the core foundation for my project with a solid data model, robust security, and automation. But a few key upgrades are left in the project, like integrating Einstein bot for 24/7 support. Along with that, Einstein AI to analyze the purchase history, offer the subscribers more personalized products, and finally, a dedicated mobile app for the subscribers to manage their account and receive shipping notification directly. These upgrades would transform my project into a world-class customer experience platform. Thank you.